Hello guys, my name is Mandy. So I want to take my tatay to buy me this, and then I love tatay. And then this is Birdie. This is the burger lie, and then this is the burger. And then let's open it up and see what's inside. Pinahaano ako. Uy! Please na, ma-open ka na. Pag hindi pa nag-open, hindi na ako tutuloy dito. Let's see the card first. Wait, sino ba yung card nito? And then this is Grimace.
Sino nakuha mo, Andy?
Tingnan mo yung card.
Sino nakuha mo? Oh my gosh! Si Grimace! Nasaan yung toy? Wow! Show it to me.
And then this is Best friends na yung burger dito. Best friends na. Then this is the card. And then this is what the card look like. And then look at the book. Look at the book, guys. It's Chinese because this is what it says. This is the Minecraft. This is the Minecraft Happy Meal that they sells Grimace and the burger, and then they sell the zombie and then the birds, and then this is Chinese. This is Chinese. And then this is Grimace. Okay, bye bye, love you, bye bye, love you, bye bye.